The Girl Who Tamed Wild Foxes. In the heart of Siberia, where snow blankets the earth for most of the year, a young researcher named Lyudmila was about to embark on a journey that would change the world's understanding of domestication. It all began in the 1950s when she set out to study the behavior of foxes in the wild. What seemed like a simple experiment would soon evolve into something extraordinary. Lyudmila began working with a small group of wild foxes, capturing them and bringing them back to a research facility. Her goal was to understand their behavior, but as time passed, she noticed something remarkable. Unlike other animals, the foxes seemed to have an innate wariness of humans. Yet, the more Lyudmila interacted with them, the more they began to trust her. She fed them, cared for them, and gradually, she noticed the transformation. These wild creatures were starting to behave more like dogs than foxes. It wasn't just a matter of training them. It was something deeper. Over the course of years, these foxes began to exhibit traits that were more commonly associated with domesticated animals. They sought affection, wagged their tails, and even began to bond with humans in ways that no one had anticipated. The process was slow, but the results were undeniable. What Lyudmila had done was no small feat. She had essentially created a new breed of foxes, ones that were tame and friendly, a far cry from the elusive creatures of the wild. But her work didn't stop there. She meticulously documented every step of the process, her research shedding light on how domestication works at a genetic level. Her work has since become one of the most influential studies in animal behavior and genetics. Lyudmila's groundbreaking work on the domestication of foxes has left a lasting legacy, proving that the line between wild and tame is not always as clear-cut as we might think. Her story is a testament to the power of patience, the bonds we can form with animals, and the unyielding curiosity that drives us to understand the world around us. Help the channel grow by liking, sharing, and subscribing.